There are a few things you need to know as a farmer. You need to learn them because these are things that matters when it comes to onion farming or when it comes to transplanting of onions. Meaning that your onions seedlings have already matured or they have already reached the maturity point is not a big factor now, as long as you've achieved what you wanted to achieve in the nursery. Leave the nursery alone and now come to the main field where the biggest drama starts. And this is where you need to be very cautious because one, you've already succeeded in nursery preparation, you've done the best nursery, you've achieved the best seedlings, and now you need to bring them to where they start printing money or where you start making money, because from the transplanting time, that's when you start seeing your money. In the nursery was just the preparation. The real printing of the digits is in the main field. So in the main field, one thing you need to look at is the preparation. How have you prepared your land? And preparing of the land is subject to many factors. Among them is the implement. What are you using to prepare the land? There are some who are using animals to plow, tractors, they are plowing manually. So those are some of the factors. Also, another factor is the terrain of the land. Hilly, are you doing it in a hilly place? Are you doing it in a flat land? Where are you doing it? Then, the big factor, and this is the point of discussion, is the type of irrigation that you're using. The type of irrigation that you're using is among the biggest thing you need to look at during preparation, because that is what will indicate how you shape the land, how the land looks like. When you prepare, you must consider the type of irrigation as your biggest factor, because that is also what will affect your production. Those using furrow irrigation, you know how to prepare it. Those using drip irrigation, you know how to prepare it. In my case, because I'm a sprinkler irrigation farmer and that is what I'm using, all you need is a technical hand so that you can succeed in this. If you cannot do it yourself, I can help you do it, or you can call the technician who is nearest to you and take you through the process of sprinkler setting. It's the simplest as compared to drip irrigation. So this is just the beginning. This is just the setup as I now usher in the planting of onions. In few days from now, after irrigating the whole of this land, because after setting up the irrigation, the first thing we do is irrigating the land. I'm going to irrigate the land, then start planting. And that are now one of the biggest class and one of the biggest lessons I'm pretty sure you're waiting, so that you can learn how everything is done correctly and in the light. If it's the first time that you're watching me, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel so that we can continue learning together.